it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you're keeping well. I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I'm based in the UK. And welcome to Compare the Colours. So these are our new InColors. These will be with us from the 3rd of June this year until the beginning of June, not next year, but the year after, so 2022. So we call these our 2020-2022 InColors. So we've got Bumblebee, Magenta Madness, Misty Moonlight, Just Jade and Cinnamon Cider. And I thought it would be useful to have a look at them and compare them to previous colours. Now, caveat here, I joined Stampin' Up not quite 4 years ago and I don't have all of the colours in full swatches. I've got some of them that go back to 2015 in strips, but I do not have all of the colours in nice size swatches. I'm going to make it a task to do that, but I don't have them at the moment. So Bumblebee we will look at first. So I've dug out some yellows and I've dug out So Saffron, which is the same sort of tone, I would say. Daffodil Delight is less dusky. Bumblebee is a little dusky. Pumpkin Pie I dug out just because it was there. Mango Melody, definitely more orange in tone. Crushed Curry is probably the nearest, but this one's got a bit more brown in it. Now the other colour that I did wonder about was Delightful Dijon, which I have got on this strip here. It's quite close, but it's Delightful Dijon is definitely more on the brown scale, and Peekaboo Peach is obviously too pink. So Crushed Curry or Delightful Dijon, I would say, are your nearest. This is more yellow. This is more. It's got more of a white tone in it, so it's got that sort of slightly pastel look to it. So those are Bumblebee colours. As I say, Pumpkin Pie was never really going to be one. Magenta Madness, which is quite bright. If we look at previous InColors, I think we can agree none of, apart from possibly Sweet Sugar Plum, which is much bluer. So Magenta Madness, I have dug out Melon Mambo, which is our current bright pink. And as you see, it's definitely not the same. The other colour that I just had a thought that might be similar, if I can find it, is... Where have you gone? Where have you gone? I know you're here somewhere. Here we go. Rose Red is definitely not right. So, no. Definitely not. So, Melon Mambo is redder. This is more blue. Rich Raspberry is definitely darker. Berry Burst, which we lost last year, is the same sort of blue tone, but it's darker. And then Lovely Lipstick, which we've just lost or just losing, no. So Magenta Madness is definitely out there on its own. Right, Misty Moonlight. I'm going to look at the older colours first. So we've got Dapper Denim. This is definitely greener. I don't know how it looks on the screen, but here this is definitely a greener blue. And I don't think any of the other retired colours. No, that would be the only one that was a possible. This is Night of Navy, and this is Blueberry Bushel. So this, again, there's that slightly pastel tone, the white in it. So again, Misty Moonlight, definitely out on its own. Just Jade, I had quite a lot of fun with this one. So let's start with Emerald Envy, which is definitely darker, and I would say bluer. I don't think we've got any others. Oh, possibly Island Indigo, but no, that's definitely green. Well, blue-green, I would say. No, that's it for those. So I've dug out lots of greens and aquas. So Just Jade, definitely not Balmy Blue. Pool Party, no. Coastal Cabana is not far off, but Just Jade is definitely darker. Bermuda Bay is not right. And then we've got Garden Green, no. Shaded Spruce, no. And the Just Going Call Me Clover, no. So again, Just Jade, it's there on its own. So far, Bumblebee is the only one where we've got a close. So Cinnamon Cider, again, I'm going to look at previous colours. Tip Top Taupe is definitely pinker. Chocolate Chip is darker. And I think of retired colours, no, that would be it. So Cinnamon Cider, the obvious choice would be Cajun Craze, but that's too orange. Terracotta Tile is pinker. Grapefruit Grove, which we're about to lose, no. Soft Suede, no. And Crumb Cake, no. So again, I think Cinnamon Cider, it's out there on its own. So the only one that I would say we've got anything close would be Bumblebee and Crushed Curry. But as I say, in real life, that is quite different. You could probably get away with Crushed Curry at a push, but I'm not convinced. So if I bring in Crushed Curry Ribbon, it jars a little for me. So, whereas obviously it goes beautifully on the Crushed Curry. So, yeah, I think they are all very different. But what do you think? I would love to hear which colour you think any of these is similar to. Go back as many years as you want and let's have a look. I'll probably be able to find the hex code somewhere. So I'll be able to have a comparison with digital hex codes and we can have a look and see. I hope you found that interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Do remember you can subscribe by hitting the subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. If you would like any Stampin' Up products, remember that my online store is below if you're in the UK. If you are in the UK, France, Germany, Austria or the Netherlands, you can also join my team, which at the moment, because we have got a bit of a wait for things shipping out of our warehouse, if you want some of the new items, joining my team might be the way to go, because you can do that today and jump the queue. So all the information on that is both below and over on my website. If you would like to know what's on the pre-order list, just drop me an email and we can have a chat and get you signed up. Thank you very much indeed for being with me today. Stay well, stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye!